Today we are going to see how we can share any directory with WinBoat. Currently, unfortunately, you don't get any option on the application, but today I'll show you how easily you can do this. So let's get started. So guys, the Indian Pengu here. So let's open a terminal and let me just type in the current directory. So I am on my home directory right now. Now you can just type in this WinBoat in your system as well. You will have this particular folder if you have WinBoat installed, and in here you can get to see all the directories, all the files related to the WinBoat. So type in "L" and you will list all the information related to the containers. So we are particularly interested in the Docker Compose YAML file, and we can just type in Docker Compose YAML. This contains many information. I'll just tell you in a short, like what information does it contain. So it helps you manage the Docker container, and it helps you map any particular port you want to the Windows container, and also the volumes that you want to map to the Windows container. So I want you to scroll down and open to the volume section, and in here you can see the shared directory. So this particular shared directory is in the Windows container, and this particular directory, it is in my system on Linux. So by default this comes something like this: home directory. It will be on your system so that you can share your home folder, but if you want to change it, you can just type in your favorite directory that you want to share with your Windows container and just type in like this and save it, and boom, half work is done. Now what I want you to do is type in this particular command, docker compose down and docker compose up, if you have the WinBoat running. So on my system it is actually running right at the moment. I'll just stop this, close this, and I will now do docker compose down and docker compose up with option -D, which means you want to run the Docker as a detached process from this terminal. Okay, so just press enter and it is now restarted. Now you can open your WinBoat application and let it get started, and go to the apps and just open the window desktop, and we will verify whether our particular folder is shared or not. So we have this shared folder on the Windows itself. Let's just open it, and you get to see your particular shared folder in here. So this was my particular folder which I wanted to share. This is not on home directory. I can just show this as well. So the folder I shared was on home, and it was games. So it has some particular games like Need for Speed, Ghost of Tsushima, and some other more, and these are the ones that are shared in the Windows container as well. That would be all for the video. If you want to see any more content, any problem that you are facing, you can comment in the below section, and I'll try to make up a video for you for WinBoat or any other application on Linux. Thank you everyone, goodbye and donk.